Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Here let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Right now we can simply tap on this camera icon here or just tap on edit and tap on the camera here. It's up to you. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either tap on the camera and then your device will open the camera app, obviously. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can pick the gallery, so obviously you will be able to pick from the photos which you've previously taken or downloaded from the internet. So of course give all the permissions and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square and the circle inside of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. We can also zoom in or out the photo, it's up to you. So after positioning it just like you want to, remember to tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact, so remember also to tap on save, it's very important. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the contact. You will also be able to see it on the contact list, and for example whilst incoming calls from that number or messaging with it. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.